Hi student, welcome back, and today we are going towards the end of the chapter, but a few more questions to go, so then we are done with the whole textbook actually. And all this video is recorded down so that you want to see whatever chapter you don't know, you can always go to my playlist video and to look at any video that you don't understand. Okay, for math practice number 9, figure 1 show example of orbit a satellite X which has the orbital period of 12 hours. Okay, so that's the orbital period of 12 hours. Based on figure 1, name the type of satellite X. Okay, so satellite X is a GPS. Okay, GPS has the orbital period of 12 hours. Basically, you want to follow the time. Give one example of application of X. So, one example of application. Okay, give one example application of satellite X for navigation purpose. So, when they say application here, not the apps, got two meaning of the word application. Okay, one is the App Store application. Another one is the how you apply, from the word apply, how you use this satellite. So we can use this satellite for navigation purpose to know the location. State 3 feature of GPS satellite. So you can say GPS is a communication satellite. Okay, so we can say that GPS is a communication satellite. And then we can say orbital height as around 20,000, because it depends on what satellite. Some satellite is 30,000, 34,000. So for GPS is 20,000. Orbital period for GPS satellite is 12 hours. Depend on what satellite lah. Not all satellite is GPS satellite. Okay, there are still many type of GPS satellite. Okay, and some satellite is for weather report, some satellite is for GPS. So GPS doesn't mean you can want to check the weather like tsunami, earthquake, and so on. Name 1 year of GPS in our daily life. Anything lah, same with the answer. Okay, for navigation purpose, we can use it for navigation. We can know the location. Anything lah, maybe you can say to know location, or to find way to reach a place. Okay, because you use Google Map, you can find the road and the direction. Give 2 example of navigation application. So for example, we got Waze, we got Google Map, some more what, maybe I don't know, Garmin. A lot more lah, but this is 2 more famous one lah. Waze and Google Map is more famous. Google Map is Waze is famous in Malaysia lah. I'm not sure whether is it famous in other country. So there's it. Still got one more question lah. Number 3. Figure 2 show different type of satellite orbit A, B, C, and D. What is A? What is B? What is C? What is D? G, O, H, O, L, E, O, and M, E, O. So where is the answer? We can find the answer at top. Where was it lah? Let me go down. So from here we can see that A is what? A is HEO. A is HEO. What is B? C, you know, right? C is the most near, so C is the LEO. And B is the middle one, so it is middle Earth orbit, MEO. After that, D is GEO. Okay, is a stationary one. Okay, everywhere you go, you always look back at the satellite. Okay, GEO. Based on the figure 2, name the type of orbit for GPS satellite. So for GPS, based on figure 2, name the type of orbit. We use MEO. So for GPS is 20,000, so we use MEO, okay, because from 2,000 to 35,580 km, so it will be where was I? Okay, and the last question, the clock in a GPS satellite need to be adjusted from time to time. What is the importance of accuracy of time information in GPS satellite in our daily activity? So why we want to have a very accurate time in the GPS? It need to be adjusted. Sometimes our clock, how precise a clock can get. Like now I know you got use iPhone now, your clock, but your iPhone also might little bit different, maybe 0.001 second. So this is very important. So the GPS need to adjust the clock properly. And why is it important? Okay, so maybe one of the things we can say that is for transportation, for the safety of flight and train, correct or not? We want to know what time you reach, what time the train come, what time the train go, and we want it to be more very precise in terms of transportation. Or we can say in terms of telecommunication, we want the telecommunication to be very precise. And like what I say, like for finance, like 1 second in stock market, it means a lot different. So it's also for telecommunication. And also for the field of science, maybe you want to know when the volcano is happening, what is the tsunami is happening. So sometimes this 1 second or 10 second is very, we can save life, so we want it to be the clock to be very precise. So I think no more already, so we are done. So thank you for watching this video, and for the next video we are going to do revision back to chapter 1 and just continue revision until we improve.